Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video. So I am in a different setting because I didn't want to get in the bathroom right away and do my thing I was going to do today. I'm actually going to reorganize my drawers and my cabinet underneath. I don't think I'm going to touch my husband's stuff because he has it the way he wants, but I think I want to get some more stuff off at the counter and maybe rearrange a couple things around everywhere. I need to go get a magic eraser. But yeah, so let me show you my bathroom setup. It's going to be a little messy, and I didn't want to do the intro in here because I have like the vent that goes on when you turn the light on, so it's kind of inevitable. But here we are. Alright, so it is a little bit hairy and dirty. This is going to be my husband's side over here, so we're not going to look at that. But I do have some stuff out that I need to put away, and some stuff I've gathered that I'm just going to put it in my vanity, in my bathroom area, some other stuff. But yeah, it's just like a huge mess over here. So this is what I have on the counter, and I have 1, 2, 3 drawers. And then this under cabinet I usually use. These are kind of fake drawers, kind of little pocket things. So I have a couple things in here too, just that I use regularly. But yeah, so I'm going to rearrange this and everything on my counter over there. And I wanted to show you guys what I'm doing. So we're going to clean out my drawers. I think I'm going to lay everything out on the floor so that I can see what I have. And then I'll get you guys set up so you can see me kind of putting it away and reorganizing it. But that's what we're going to do today. So if you're interested, just go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, so I got everything laid out on the floor. We're going to take a look. And I have a whole half the cabinet down there that I want to use for me. And then the other half is going to be for, like, I don't know if you saw me take out the liters of shampoo and conditioner. That is like backup stuff. I think I have other backup stuff under there too that I want to clear out of my husband's side and kind of use that as like a hairstyling drawer for him and me. And yeah, so this is what everything that is on the floor is everything that was in the drawers and in the cabinet. I haven't even touched the stuff that's on the counter because I think I want to put that in a drawer. So when I get to kind of how I want to configure it, I think I will move it down there. So let me show you. Alright, so I hope the vent isn't too loud. If not, I'll have to kind of maybe figure out how to get the sound better. However, I have like trays. Everything is usually in trays. Everything's typically in a tray. It's in a box, bin, whatever. Those are my travel bags, so I'm not really sure if I want to keep those there, especially if they're empty. Maybe find a different spot for them. That's like toiletry lady things that I think I can move to a different bathroom. I just want to keep one in the bathroom under the cabinet. And then that I think I'm going to put in a different box. It's like all my travel items. So yeah, I just have a lot of bags and nail polish, hair care, skincare, random hair accessories. I don't know. I think I might put that in a different section of the house. Probably where I get ready more so. So yeah, that is what I'm working with. I have 3 drawers here. One's kind of a regular size, and then 2 of them are deep. And then I have this whole cabinet under the sink right there to work with. And like I said, when I get to that section, I will touch that when I can. So let me start in the bottom drawer and kind of work my way up. I think I want to use that middle drawer for my skincare now and kind of just get it off the counter. But then I need to figure out what can fit in that small drawer. Probably mostly like tools, like the Q-tips that I use and stuff. So let me configure it and I will be back with you guys. Alright, so I'm done with this bottom drawer. I had to reconfigure it a couple times because I think I need to get a different bin as far as this bin. For it to be a little bit more roomier, I think I want to get this bin. I think I got this at Target, so I'm going to have to go back eventually and get me one of those, but for now this works. So this bottom bin I decided to make kind of hair, body, and sunless tanner. I guess that counts as body. So I have my towel, my Turby Twist in here. This is an older one. I'm still using it. I have one too that I'm using right now. For some reason, this one started smelling, so I was kind of just gonna let it hang out for a minute and see if it still smells. I think that's my only gripe with Turby Twist, is that I washed it and then it started to smell, but when I didn't wash it, it was fine. So I'm kind of confused on how those work. These are going to be hair scrunchies and headbands for when I need to put my hair back, whether I'm doing a mask or I just need a quick headband and scrunchie. They're down here. This is actually a silk scrunchie that I got to sleep with. Those are really nice. I also have some gloves here because whenever I do kind of refresh my hair, I have these gloves on hand, and then I have clearless bra straps here if I need them. Here is my Hope Bronze or self-tanning mitts. So it's like a cloth mitt already ready to go. You just use it once and then you toss it. I have my Saint Tropez self-tanner that I'm using right now. This is a cloth mitt. I have the Hope Bronze Body Glow lotion under it, and I use the mitt to put it on. That way I don't have to really worry about washing my hands right after. And then I have a, this is a Call of Fruity. I think that's what the line is called. Soap and Glory, but it's a body butter. And then I have this, oh sorry, the glare, this Smoothie Star Breakfast Scrub. It is a body scrub that I haven't used yet, so that is still in here, waiting for it to go in my shower, and I will switch it out soon. And then this bin is all hair stuff. I had sun in here too, like sunscreen, but I think I'm going to put that somewhere else. And I also had like a deodorant, so I'm going to move that for sure. Am I breaking this? I'm trying to put this down. Anyways, so these are more so like my sample sizes, and I can take these when I travel, so I kind of kept everything in one bin. That way I knew where everything was. These are little packets of samples that I have too, in case anybody, if they're visiting, needs something or just wants like a quick hair mask. Here's a hair mask. And then I have my regular products that I'm using in here. So that is going to be the bottom drawer. And this is what I have left. I'm sitting down. So I have these skin items, tools, masks, face, and then nail, and I need to figure out what to do with my travel items. So I am going to close that one and move on to this drawer, which is where I want to put most of my skincare. That's up top there. So I'm going to see if I can move that down into here and see what else will fit in here. So there we go. Alright, so we're making progress. I took everything off of this, minus those cloths. I gotta find a section for that now. Might have to move something again, but I pretty much took all of my skincare off in the cloths, and now I have this empty drawer that I'm going to put the tools in. I have these in the second drawer, so these are technically a tool, I guess. They're for my mask, so I'm going to take these there. I'm going to put my toner pads there. My Clarisonic charger I'll keep up there too. I think I'll have to leave my Clarisonic out just because the stand doesn't fit in here. If I put it in there, it has to be like completely dry, and that's, I have to wait like a whole day for that, so whatever. And then I have like all these like pimple tools, the dermaplaning tool I use, and nail clippers. I think I'm going to put that in the nail section, but the floor is a little bit cleaner. I think these are, that's nail polish, and then I have to go through some travel accessories. Maybe I'll just put that in a bag and put it away, but this is where I'm at now. I'm going to take those elsewhere, and then that is like a little tool tray that I had in the first drawer anyways, and I'm going to put it back in there. And yeah, I'm almost done. So I think I might have to show you the finished product next, and if I change anything, I'll make sure I update you. Since I have those Olay wipes still out, I think I'm going to have to put them down here somehow. I might move these masks somewhere else. I don't know. We'll figure it out. We'll see. Alright, so that's all that's left. Thankfully, I'm trying to empty those out, get my travel things kind of situated in one bag. This is what I did to the under cabinet. I left my mason jar. That's where I put my dirty sponges, and then that drawer set is actually full of like my cleaning supplies. So I have a spray, a soap bar, and then the mat that I use, and then the brush holder that I use. So anything that is brush related is going in there. We're keeping our toilet paper down here, extra toothbrushes, Q-tips, toothpaste, and I don't know if I'm going to put anything else down there. I took a basket from my closet that is like this gray one. So I have 2 of these in here, like this. I was able to move this over, kind of have a little bit more wiggle room, but I really need to use all this stuff up. So, yeah, we're keeping the stuff down here though. I didn't move my brushes. I'm just going to keep them up top. The second drawer, I forgot about my face towels. So I have these face towels. If you saw my nighttime skincare routine, they are in this drawer next to me while I am washing my face. This is still messy, but they are right here. And then I was able to move everything from the top, minus my Clarisonic, down here. These are my Olay wipes, the little dry cloths that get wet, eye cream, and then I have face moisturizer, toner, my face wash. So everything is in one spot. It's a little bit cramped, but I think that's just because the Olay box is kind of odd shaped. So I'm gonna see if I can maybe get a different bin. Hopefully it's the same size, but I'm gonna see if I can rearrange it. And then I have other skincare products that are on backup ready to use, my Clarisonic heads, and then this is kind of like the mask area. Biore pore strips, other stuff that I'm going to use soon, stuff that's on backup. Another face mask, and then I have some makeup wipes just in case. So that is what is in the second drawer. Everything worked out pretty good there. And then this is going to be kind of like my spa treatment, masking, Q-tips, lip scrub, just kind of little things that I didn't want to get mixed in with the big stuff because I didn't want it to be forgotten. This is just like a eye makeup remover or mascara remover, what I use it for. It's pretty low, so when this is empty, I'm going to switch it out for a Lancome one that I have down there. My drying lotion that I use for my pimples, I keep in here because when I get a pimple, I just get the Q-tip right here, put it on my pimple, and it sucks it right out. These are my reusable toner pads that I used in my video as well. I kind of leave this spot open for the toner pad. When it is wet, I just kind of leave it in here. So, since I rearranged everything out of that other bin, now I have this big bin for the nail polish, and maybe I can use that bin somewhere else, or maybe I can use it for my travel items. I don't know. We'll have to see. So, that is what I have so far. So I guess I'll just put this down here with my skincare, because on the side of my skincare I actually have a couple sample packets over here, so I'm just going to stick that there. So that's clean. So now I have a red bin, and I have this bin, and we'll see what we can put together, and I will clean it up and show you the final product, and I will be all organized. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it only took me about 2 hours, but I finished rearranging everything on my side of the vanity. So I'm going to show you, I actually have 2 containers that I ended up with extra. So they don't fit in the drawer with everything else, and I have cleaned my side. There's trash on the other side, so I'm not going to show you that, but I will give you the tour of my bathroom stuff, my bathroom drawers. Alright, so like you saw, the bottom drawer has all my hair, body, sunless tanner stuff, scrunchies, hair products, bath scrub, no, body scrub, body butter, sunless tanner. In the second drawer, I was able to put all my skincare in there. This is my current skincare that's going to be up front here. And this is backup skincare / trials that I'm waiting to get to. And then masks, all types of masks, nose strips, mask, extra product too that I'm going to get through. This was here. This is a towel hook for my towel, so that was like my morning towel. This is where my tools are. So I have my toner pads, a lip mask, lip scrub, Q-tips, and then this is kind of the little things that I use from here and there, all the toner pads. And back here I have my Clarisonic charger and my mask brushes. So that is the top drawer. Put that back on there. These are the 2 bins that I was left with. And then this is my side of the vanity. You can see me in the mirror. So this is my side. I have that lotion there. I'm gonna move that. I wasn't able to move my brushes down just because I feel like I need them accessible, and then the Clarisonic doesn't fit in the drawer. And then this is my ring holder that I keep out anyways. It's a little Big Ben dish holder, ring holder, so I have all my rings in here. And then I'm keeping this out because I want to use it and get rid of it. And then I have the other dry shampoos with my husband, so yep, that is going to be... Oh, did I show you this part? I think I did, but I also added the nail polish in here. I have a nail polish remover, and then that's the current body butter that I'm using. So I take that out when I need it. That little bin right there is full of like sleeves for my brushes. So when I hang them, if I want them to kind of like stay bunched up the way they are, I have a sleeve that I can put on it. So that's what that little bin is, but that is going to be it for my bathroom tour. I hope... Alright guys, I did it. So that is going to be the end of my organize my bathroom with me. I have to take care of a couple things and throw some stuff out and then put some bags where I can get them later. Like my travel bags that I don't want just stuffed in there anymore. So that's going to be it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you will join me in the next time I organize something. I think I'm going to do my desk next, but I need to get a couple things so that I can organize it. So like maybe a drawer set or a file cabinet or something like that. So yeah, maybe my Look Nook too. Not sure. I'm on a kick now, so I'm going to be organizing a couple more things, but I will take you guys along with me. But thank you for watching this video, and I hope I will see you guys in the next one.